Hey everyone, it's Mike with LiftedTrucks.com. We're known for our trucks, but we also have a great selection of SUVs, like this custom 2025 Toyota Landcruiser 4x4. Our technicians gave this one an aggressive look by installing some high-quality off-road upgrades. Some of these upgrades included 2.5-inch Westcott Designs TRD Pro Spec lift kit, 17-inch Method race wheels, and 35-inch Toyo RT tires. This Landcruiser also comes equipped with factory rigid fog lights. This setup gives this Landcruiser added off-road performance while still maintaining a great ride and look on the street. It also fits in a standard garage. Now with multiple locations in Arizona, Texas, and Alabama, we have over 1,000 trucks, SUVs, Jeeps, and Broncos to choose from, and we ship nationwide. For more information on this vehicle or any others, log on to liftedtrucks.com.
Go now to liftedtrucks.com. Work hard, play hard, drive harder.